JP Morgan Chase is one of the largest and most prominent financial institutions in the world. With a robust global presence, a diversified business model, and a history of resilience and innovation, JP Morgan Chase definitely is an opportunity you don't want to pass up. Being a larger weighted bank by sheer volume and market cap size, this is one that is unlikely to crumble like the smaller tier regional banks in Silicon Valley. Robust profitability metrics. The bank consistently posts high return on equity (ROE) and return on assets (ROA) compared to its peers. These metrics indicate effective management and strong ability to generate profit from its assets. Let's take a look at dividends and shareholder returns. JP Morgan has a history of returning capital to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. Its commitment to maintain a competitive dividend yield makes it attractive to income-focused investors. So, JP Morgan raised its quarterly dividend payout from $115 to $125, and its board authorized a $30 billion stock buyback. When a company buys their own stock back, that's always a good sign. JP Morgan has over 16 years of steady dividend growth. And as we can see here, we have reliable and stable dividend payouts. With operations in over 100 markets, the bank is less susceptible to domestic economic downturns. This geographic diversification helps mitigate risk and captures growth opportunities in emerging markets. JP Morgan is at the forefront of technological innovation in banking. With investments in fintech and digital banking solutions, this positions the bank to meet evolving customer needs and enhances its competitive edge. Strong financial performance and consistent revenue growth. JP Morgan has demonstrated a consistent ability to grow revenue across its various business segments, including investment banking, commercial banking, consumer and community banking, and asset management. These diversified revenue streams provide stability, reducing reliance on any single revenue segment. In 2019, they reported $36.43 billion in net profit. In 2020, we had a black swan event, which was the pandemic, so they were affected adversely, and they reported $29.13 billion in net income. In 2021, they bounced back at $48.33 billion. But then in 2022, we had inflation and the rising interest rate, which also affected them adversely, and they reported $37.68 billion in net income. But then in 2023, they bounced back at $49.55 billion in net income. As a leader in the banking industry, JP Morgan is well equipped to navigate economic challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. For investors seeking a blend of stability, income, and growth, JP Morgan represents a compelling investment choice in the financial sector. This organization exhibits the excellent qualities of a leader in the banking sector: strong financial performance, strategic positioning, effective risk management, and global diversification. I want to hear thoughts on JP Morgan. Is this a stock you would add to your portfolio? Tell me why or why not. Drop your comments down below. I'd like to hear your thoughts.